tutorial today on a workflow for multi-talk. So multi-talk basically allows you to lip sync characters. So you can take an image with different people in it and you can lip sync one or more people. So that is what I'm going to show you today. So I already have the workflow loaded. So this is a workflow I created, and I have a photo as well that I'd like to lip sync. So I want to lip sync actually both of these characters. So the first thing I would do is I would go in here or right click on the image and then go into Open Mask Editor and just mask out each character. And what I like to do is mask out the entire character. I don't know if this is necessary, but I've gotten better results doing that versus just the face. But from what I understand, you can do just the face. But I prefer to do this. This just works better for me. Okay, so mask out the two characters, and then you can hit save. Okay, so that's what you're going to see here. Now, next step is to actually load the audio files. I already have 2 audio files loaded. So I'll just go ahead and play it for you so you can hear it.
I am so sorry, darling. It slipped my mind. I forgot to pick up the live octopus for dinner.
Okay, and the second one.
Brad, how could you forget again? All we have left is goat heads and unsavory parts of tree monkeys.
Okay. So those are my audio files. Now, if you want to crop the audio, you can do that here. In this case, it's not necessary. I want to do the full-length audio, but you know, if this was a minute long, you could crop it. Same goes for the second audio. So that gives you that capability. The other thing too is there's an auto separation node. So if you've got any background noise, it can clean up your audio. So you can enable this if you'd like. I've got it. Oh yeah, I do have it enabled at the moment. Yeah, so yeah, it'll just clean up any background noise. And then, you know, your final step here is to basically enter a description. So a man and woman are sitting down in a hut. The man starts talking first. After the man is finished, the woman talks. There's a fire in the hut. Okay, so that's just a description of what's going on here. That's just going to help out the render. Now, just one final thing regarding the masks. So we've gone ahead, we've created 2 masks, but we also have to pay attention to, you know, basically the order of the mask. So we can see that this is the first mask, that's the man, and this is the woman. Okay, so that's going to be the order of the speaking. It's based on what you see here in the mask. Now, if it's not in the right order that you want, all you have to do is flip these around. So take, right now, let's just make sure, yeah. So right now, mask A is pointed to mask 2. So what you can do, if you want to switch it around, just make mask A point to mask 1 and mask B point to mask 2. Just basically flipping these around, and that'll change the order. So that's how you do that. And then that's it. So then once you've set all that up, you can just go ahead and hit run. Okay, so this is going to run, but meanwhile, let me just show you this. I've actually already run this, so I already have a final video. So I'm just going to show you what it produced, and it did a pretty good job in this case. You know, the lip sync looks pretty good, so here we go.
It slipped my mind. I forgot to pick up the live octopus for dinner.
Brad, how could you forget again? All we have left is goat heads and unsavory parts of tree monkeys.
I am so sorry, darling. It slipped my mind.
Okay, so you can see in this case, yeah, lip sync was actually perfect. Occasionally, though, it's not always perfect. There's always some weird problems here and there. So you have to sometimes, you know, run it a few times to get really good results. But yeah, in this case, it came out perfect. So that's my only advice, is maybe when you mask the entire person. Again, I don't know for sure if that's really gonna be that helpful, but that's what I've been doing. Anyway, all right, take care, guys.